So guys, finally, Xiaomi launched the Xiaomi Pad5 and the Xiaomi 11T Pro. I'm preparing this video the same day I prepare the Xiaomi 11T Pro unboxing and review. So if you want to see that video, go to the channel and check it out. But this time we're going to talk about the Xiaomi Pad5 and this little guy from here, the Xiaomi smartpen. So let's go right now. But before we can start, you already know what I'm about to say. Please subscribe, giving us a like, and if you want, you can giving us a follow in another social media, and of course, comment. Please comment any doubt or any suggestion you may have to the channel. That allow us to keep growing. So let's go and let's make the unboxing. As I said before, this is the box. Xiaomi Pad5 is the global launch of Xiaomi to enter to the global market again, to the tablets. And let's begin with this little guy from here, the Xiaomi Smart Pen, that it's really easy to unpack. And when you do it, you'll find this phrase designed by Xiaomi and of course the Smart Pen inside. You also will find these manuals that, let's be honest, nobody reads anything inside here, but what you may use in the future is this replacement for the arrow. When you open this kind of package, you'll find a very minimalistic smart pen, and what you have to know is that this works with Bluetooth. With these buttons from here, you can access to the screenshot shortcut or the notes, so you can draw or write anything you want, no matter in which app you are. But now let's unbox this guy from here. I know you are in this video for the Xiaomi Pad5, so let's do this. When you open it, you will find that this box is big, but that's for mainly two reasons. The first one obviously is the size, and the second reason you'll find later, it's a surprise for the global market. And one of the most important things here with this tablet is that it's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 860. I really love the design. I said in the Xiaomi 11 video that I really love the design of the cameras, and in the box you will find the manuals that again nobody reads it. And the second reason I was talking about, it's here and it's a surprise for the global market. It's because for the Chinese version of the Xiaomi Mi Pad, there is no charger included, but in the global market Xiaomi has decided to give us a charger, and it's not a regular charger, it's 2020 or 22.5 powerful charger. It means really quick charge. And talking about the charger, remember that this pad comes with a high capacity battery with 8720 milliampere. So let's take off this dress or cloth, I don't know. This is my favorite part of every video, and as you can see, the borders or the edges are metallic or aluminum, I don't know how is the correct name, and this detail from here is magnetic, so you can charge your smart pen. And these 3 points or 3 dots down here are from the keyboard. I think you are out of energy in the Xiaomi smart pen. What you'll have to do is only to stick in the right side and it will automatically charge. Remember that these speakers are immersive quad stereo speakers supported by Dolby Atmos. Downside you'll find the USB-C port, the microphone. So let's turn on this guy and keep talking about what amazing it is. As you know, it has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 860 and the screen is a WQHD Plus, and it's amazing. The back side is plastic, the front side is crystal. I'm not sure if it has Gorilla Glass, and as I said before, the configuration of the camera design remembers to the 11 family or the Xiaomi Mi 11. Talking about the screen, we have a panel IPS with a refreshing rate of 120 Hz or 120 Hz. And about the Wi-Fi connection, I have to say that I have contracted here 200 megas and I can receive even more. I don't know why is that, but I really love. Remember that this was just an unboxing, and we will talk much more deeper in a whole new video. So guys, that's it for this video. If you want a deep review about the Xiaomi Pad 5, just let me know. If you want to know how to set the smartpen, if you want to know how to enter to the PC or the computer mode, just leave it in the comment section. Remember that this channel, it's growing only because of your help, so it's really important for me, and I will really appreciate if you subscribe to the channel, and of course if you giving us or if you gave us a like. My name is Leo. I see you next time. Bye bye.